Hey guys, it's Renee and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about moisturizing your dry hair. I'm going to show you things that I like to use on my hair and the kiddos' hair to help prevent our hair from drying out and those kind of things. Let's just jump right on in. So tip number one, make sure you moisturize your hair throughout the week. Throughout your wash and goes, throughout your braid outs and stuff like that. Doing a lot of moisturizing in between washes is very important, making sure that you're continuing adding moisture to your hair and hydrate your hair. How I actually moisturize my hair in between time, through my conditioner mix. Now, this is it's a spray bottle that I'm reusing. The product that was originally in here is all gone. And I actually add water and my favorite conditioner in here and some drops of oil. The water hydrates, the conditioner adds moisture as well, and the oil can add shine. So it's like a triple threat right in one bottle. And you choose your own product. You choose your own conditioner that works well with your other products, and your favorite oils that actually works well on your hair. Just mix it all in, shake it up every time, and just spray yourself, girl. This is 6-7 day hair. I like to add conditioner moisture on my edges. The most important thing, like a lot of people like to add gel on the edges of their hair in between time, but yet they forget to add the protection of the moisture, because gel can actually dry. So you gel your edges and you got your edges laid and all that kind of stuff, but did you protect them with conditioner underneath? Spraying your hair around the edges, spraying your hair in the back. If you do a pineapple, spraying your hair in the back to make sure that stays moisturized, like when you're rubbing and you're sleeping, if your hair is up like that. And then your ends, keeping those nice and moisturized as well. If you're good and you want to spray the entire hair, go for it, girl. As long as you have that hair moisturized. And then you go through and you lay and you slay. You know what I mean? I actually use this on everybody's hair besides my newest addition, the baby. I don't use this on her. So the next thing I love, Butter Whip Leave-In Conditioner Cream by Oars. Love it. Every time they have a sale, I got this from Sally's. It's the only place I know that sells it. I put this on my hair almost every single week. It's just so thick and creamy. I use this on my son's hair and I use this on my hair. Get you some of this. Get you some of this. Get you some of this. Next product I'm going to talk about is Cholesterol Hair Conditioning Cream. I use different brands, and this is just one of them. As you can see, this is almost gone. It's really empty. Use this on my daughter's hair, both my daughter's hair actually. This is what I mostly use on my baby's hair, Ellie, for damaged hair mostly. And my daughter's hair is not damaged, but it is very thin. They have really thin hair. Really, Yana has more thin hair than Ellie has really thin hair. And so in order to strengthen their hair, I like to use the cholesterol to help with breakage and those kind of things. Number one product for breakage or anti-breakage, I like the cholesterol conditioning cream. This cholesterol won't stop your heart. And lastly, my oil mixture. This is like, as you can see, I need to buy some more. Some oils that I like to use on my hair, like I use this mostly on my daughter's hair, Yana's hair. I don't use this on my son's hair. That's it. We're done. That's all I do. Those are my 4 major things that I like to use and put on my hair, my kids' hair, to help strengthen, shine, and moisturize. That's all we got for today, guys. And if you have any other questions, please leave them below. Just type them down below. See you later.